Hey everyone, it's a beautiful day. It's Patrick from EasyNode here. Today I want to make a short video here for the pros on how to load up a server. Then I'll show some upgrading of the FN app and the container, and we will also do a migration to a different set of keys and show you how that works. So over on our GitHub, you'll find the brand new server install of Findora. Let's copy that link, jump over to a server that has Docker installed. You'll see it's there. We're going to run our link. This will rip down our repository into the Validator Toolbox _FRA folder and then launch it. So we want to install. Yes, let's go. It's going to ask mainnet or testnet. We're doing testnet today, but obviously mainnet if you want. Works just the same. So you'll see the installer start, and on mainnet at this point you'd have a long download, but since this is testnet, this takes only a couple seconds. Once this is on, it'll unpack. This usually takes a few minutes on mainnet. It'll go really quick here on testnet. And it'll get into the end of the script here in a moment, which we are there already. It's making the rest of our stuff. And now it has 30 seconds of rest. So we'll take a break here and come back in a couple seconds. Okay, we should be getting pretty close here. There we go. Finished. It showed our stats here. So if we scroll up, we'll see catching up is false. We're already caught up. That's testnet goes really quick. So, all right, so it's completed. We are ready. Press Enter, and once you do that, boom, you're at the menu. So you can do things like option 1 to see your stats, option 2 to check out other stats. There we go. And then the other menu options are 7 will update the FN application itself. So if there's an update for that, you can say yep, and it'll rip it down, throw it in, reconnect, and you can run FN, and you'll see it still works, and you get your info. Number 8 will update the container. Say yes to that. You'll see it pull it down the script and run that to do the update version script. So it's stopping our container right now, which takes a moment. This is about the longest part of the update script, and then another 30 seconds of sleep here. So we'll take a little pause and come back when this is ready. Alright, should be almost done any moment now. And we should see it run the stat script for us. There we go. Already caught up, catching up false, and we are ready to press enter to continue. Bam, back to the menu. Alright, so number 9 would run the safety clean. I assure you that works. We'll just run it because this is, again, testnet, and it goes fast. So you'll see this do a whole stop after here, and then it'll re-download our database and restart us and take a 30-second pause like normal. So let's see what happens here. There's our download. Unpacking will start shortly, and once that's done, we should be ready to get our wait on for 30 seconds. So once the wait is over, 25 this time. We'll be back in a moment. Alright, this should be just about ready to show our stats. Let's see if we get a curl result. There they are. Catching up already false because we're on testnet. And safety clean complete. Press enter, return. Let's go back. Alright. So, other than that, there's number 10 will update your Ubuntu OS. And come back to the menu. We can do that. That'll work out quick. We'll say, yep, we're sure we want to do that. This option does stop your container from running, so you will miss blocks if you do this option. So keep that in mind. It's for safety because if Docker updates, it will kill Findora and cause data corruption, and you'll have to run safety clean. So you don't want to do that, and to avoid it, just go ahead and run that, and then it'll show the stats when it comes back up there to show that you're back online. So see, we're running. We get curl stats. There we go. All right. So outside of that, if you come out and you make a directory called Migrate, and then you go and transfer over some files from your old server, you're going to need private validator key.js on and tmpgen key pair dropped into the Migrate folder. So you can see if I go into Migrate, let's see, we got files there. We're going to go back. Alright, so now that those files are in place, if we rerun the toolbox, Let's go pull that command back up. All right. There's our run command right there. We're going to run it. And this time you'll see we get option 888 here, which is migrate to this server. So at this point, we have our keys on the server. It detected them. That option shows up. This is the point where you'd go to your old server and shut that down to avoid double signing if you're doing this on mainnet or testnet. And the point of that is so you don't get slashed 5% free pool. You want to avoid double signing at all costs. So at this point, go shut off the old one. You are ready to run 888 and go and make this your new server. So we're going to run a fin show just to show you guys here. The Findora address ends in VT7N and the key ends in 833. So let's take a little screenshot of those bad boys there and put that in paint. All right, and then let's go and run our migrate to show that it changes over. So you'll see how quick this goes. Copies of files. Once those are done, it will rerun our update script to get us back online. So now we're going to wait again for 30 seconds. We'll give this a moment and we'll be right back. All right, this is almost back. So this server is already back online, and since this testnet is caught up, it's definitely going to be syncing and available side blocks. And there we go. It's done. Shows it's up. And check this out. If we hit enter here and go back, you'll see when the menu loads, if we do FN again, ooh, we got new info. Let's compare it to our old stuff here. So remember what I said they ended with? Look at that. They're different because we have migrated. So that's completed. And yeah, we're online with our old keys now, ready to go. So that's about it. That's how everything's working at the moment. So thanks for watching. We will have more updates soon. This is only a few weeks into coding and idea phases, so there will be a lot to come. Stats are getting added and updated now, and we hope to have more in the near future. Thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll catch you next time.